Stop scrolling. These are the 5 most beautiful countries in the world. Number 5, Italy. From the Amalfi Coast to historic cities, it's pure beauty. Number 4, New Zealand. Mountains, lakes, and landscapes that look unreal. Number 3, Norway. Famous for its breathtaking fjords and northern lights. Number 2, Japan. A perfect mix of nature and modern cities. Number 1, Switzerland. Alpine mountains, crystal lakes, and postcard views everywhere. Which country is number 1 for you? Follow for daily top 5 facts.